Gwatinda Mihang'o ya kwaka rangi mutune barabara-ini ya gatandatu mwena-ini wa umotho wa barabara nene ya kuuma Thika guthii Nairobi, iria yambiriirie mwena wa Roysambu yukite nginya guku mucii wa Nairobi, na iria irihuthikaga ni mbathi cia ukuui wa muingi ari igira-ini ria kunina muthianiriro wa ngaari guku Nairobi. Barabara ino noyo irihuthikaga ni mbathi iria irarehirwo ni thirikari cia NYS guteithiriria hari kunina thina uyu, iria riu irihuthiraga mutaratara wa BRT hari kuheana motungata macio, makiria riri irongoreirio gukinya namba yacio nginyagia 900 ukiringithanio na 27 iria iraruta wira ndagika-ini ino. Kuigwo keheri-ini kwa njira imwe iria irihuthikaga ni ngari cia ukui wa muingi barabara-ini nene ya kuuma Thika guthii Nairobi ni mutaratara umwe uria uri mubango-ini wa thirikari wa kunina muthianiriro wa ngari makiria tauni-ini ya Nairobi. Watho wa kuhuthira njira ino ukiambiriria kurutithio wira muthi. Mutaratara wa BRT uria urarugorio bururi-ini ukuoya muhiano wa tauni ya Bogota bururi-ini wa Colombia uria ukoretwo ukiyukio ni mabururi maingi thiini wa thi, amu ni wahotire kunina muthianiriro wa ngari tauni-ini iyo kaumana na mutaratara uria uyukitio ni bururi turigaini wa Tanzania na uria matunda maguo mambiriirie kuonekana. Nao Akenya aria twaranirie nao magitianiria kuigwo keheri-ini kwa barabara ino, makiuga gukorwo ari hinya watho wayo guthingatwo.
Kurigana maguta farisi na lori tuko mwana wacio acio ri nikituteithia tondu muthigari ucio no ndari korwo thaci ciothe na ni twacorerwo haria ona thaci farisi retwo mwana wa lori na kwi mwana urutagirwo guko kigera koguo ni ndinona magituteithia hanini
makiona iteithiririe ngari ici cia thirikari ri tondu cio mara consider muno ri. For example, ta ambulance ri handu gutinde igikorwo ikinyitwo ni jamu ri ni ikoragwo ino huthu kugerera ikorwo ikigera bara yare.
Kuigwo keheri-ini kwa barabara ino gukite muthenya uria minister wa barabara na waki James Macharia gwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya senate igi ukuui kuria hithuririe ati thutha wa waki wa barabara iyo kurika ngari iria ire na ukui wa andu makiria wa 14 no cio iritikiragio kuigira tauni-ini ya Nairobi.
That if we have a compliant BRT bus, it will be carrying about 100. And so the plan is to involve the operators in transforming themselves from the 14-seater, which is what they have through the circles, to get hold of these big buses. So as we have the NYS coming in as a stopgap measure.
Ningĩ nĩ athire na mbere na kuheana mũhiano wa ngari iria iritikiragio mucii-ini wa Nairobi ni undu wa itumi cia gutangikira maundu ma hinahi na mitino.
You know, NYS got a lot of other commitments and obligations, and whereas they are helping to mitigate a very urgent and critical problem.
Timu yake makiria ruhonge rwa waki wa barabara rwa Kenha ni ruithuririe ati ministry iyo ni irabanga gwaka barabara ingi ya mwanya mwena wa Maai Mahiu niguo kurira gutharara kwa Mihang'o ya ukui mwena ucio makiria riria barabara iyo yatuika riria kwaura.
Yes, please. I think when you look at the way the fault line is going, it's like it's going towards the hill, the Longonot. And so going south, it doesn't seem to go far because I think from the road, it goes about 15 meters to the south, but it goes about 2 kilometers up towards the hill. And that's why our main worry is the Maai Mahiu, Naivasha road, and this one of going to Narok. And that's why when we asked the DG to quickly look at the extent, particularly in that area, is it going beyond where we are anticipating, or it is just localized around that area and going towards the hill? Beginning and end of this fault line, to make sure it's nowhere close to the SGR. The SGR is actually 40 kilometers away. And so we feel very confident, but having said that, we still have to play safe. So we have directed also the SGR engineers to make sure that they factor that as we do phase 2A.
No na kuri oguo ministry yo ni yuririe Kenya kugia na wetereri hari tabarira cia waki wa barabara iria irathi na mbere, amu a Kenya ingi maratengera guciruta mahitia ona waki wa cio tari urarika. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njeta kama wa Mwangi.